was questioned about Galamsey. Ye bisa no Galamsey ho asem no. Then okay. Say anya hwe no yenya gold fimo. That was his answer. Where is the spirited fight compared to Ekufuado? Sebi 2016 media was fighting Galamsey. Ekufuado ka say I am not even not to quote him, but in his answer he didn't blame John Mahama for Galamsey because he knew say a problem age old. But the problem was he wasn't fighting it. Ekufuado in his first quarter laid down a plan which included banning small-scale mining, something which ultimately affected 2020 elections. Because what do we see? We are fighting it, making sure say in Bebununa omoko jinemu washing chemicals ya de omu use. Say you get the money today. Those people, 10 years, 15 years time, if they are all well. I really worry for them. Omankasa sabi mu use na chemicals no ko change you more. How about mo amujina why you're not even wearing protective gear or clothing or anything? Nipe mu na ye nam wiase asase so you utika mu kra na okọ ejuma fumes from a car in front of you toxins going into your body. How much more immersing your body in water over Galamsey to watch to get gold?
Abai 9 months ya wati your monam kwai brain to mo the blue guard your mo bomb pempo so to ensure say Galamsey for ya tete mo abo amane you mo nyina free.
You see,
we need the good effort of Jomama to deal with Galamsey.
There's nothing new that they've done. Blue guards in your pencil, when we inaugurated them, we call them river wardens.
Okay.
No more yellow and black.
Okay.
We call them river wardens to police the water bodies. What was the difference between what we did? In banning small-scale mining, Anim said, na your friend say, Galamsey, illegal mining had taken center stage. No? 20 months, no? We saw a change in the waters. Now, what will prove him wrong? Masendo a document, if you can project it on your screen. It tracks a decade of water quality across Ghana's major rivers and reservoirs.
Okay.
And kamu project will screen as well.
And
kebeboa ama etie ehu any ahwefo. And this report, annual report from Ghana Water Resources Commission.
Okay.
Now we share water quality classification now. Red. Red means grossly polluted, meaning say chemicals near there or mode a wash gold near the minerals. It means that it's polluted the water.
Yeah. If
you look at 2012 all the way to 2015, and you go all the way down from Pong, you have Pong, Main Volta, Sukakope, Ajina, Bamboy, Daboya. So you know part of Upper East and the North. We also mine there. You know part of Ashanti. You know part of Easting. All the way Dunkonofin, Manguase, Chimoda, Lake Busimchi, that DSO. Oh, who produce a meeting in
a project yama
on Francis Sonate for any phone. You would see a clear red flag as far as the years were concerned. So the minute
which years now can one say me?
I'm talking about it marks his presidency between 2012 and
2013, 2014, 2015, 2016.
Yes. You see Uber all the way come down to specific areas, especially within Ashanti, Easting, Honuseno. You see.
Say Niamim who were Hanum no. So we share a free screen so so the 2012 the other me who know so na ye can was mana any aye ko pano dominance and cobra osino brim Dabuase, that's River Pra, Weja Lake, Elubo River, River Tano, Prestia and Cobra, Adiaba River of Fane, Aframsum. Then, but also 2016, lower voter, na eniti around 83.7%.
Yes.
Now, in 2021.
And we need to find out why those improvements came.
So, but in 2021, that same river, a dropping from 83.07 to 81.14.
Yes. And if you look at
do I didn't say
red. Yeah. Now if you look at Prestia River and Cobra.
Okay.
In the poorest state it was at 34.9.
Okay.
Right? This was 2014. Who was president there? Some of the worst states Ancobra 30 in 2014. We saw it at its worst state again in 2019 when the ban lifted.
Okay.
Do you understand? Okay. Now my point also is that Sebi yeka galamsey enya unhwe nipa kono party colors nowadays so.
Okay.
But who say it has devastating effects not only on the environment but on the people. The reports coming from these areas, deformed babies. We are talking about organ failure. We are talking about even otiakra. Now offer etiwa, almost vegetables from etiwa. Now no they said mercury laced mercury traces in those vegetables. Now what I will say we'll fighting galamsey, we'll fighting it say.
Okay.
Now you sat here and said we have not given a single license. But license, galamsey on your license. Galamsey on your license. You don't need a license. So when you say not a single license has been given out, it doesn't prove a point that you are fighting the menace. Because your John Mahama no nenumutu say yenya bibi fimu. Gold Board a few almost 2 months ago or 5 weeks ago, my sister station Asempa, I was on there and I stated categorically say Gold Board galamsey and omode funding. Why? Because third parties are the ones who go and mop up gold. No, okay. Gold no sebe. Yen bani can say, oh, papa, ubata carry weigh 2 kilos. Na 2 kilos ye gold. Interne de ba de bi. Yen kitin kakrani abuano. Ni edaba inti. Nipa ne be titini moria kotu gold naba. No me tia ne kakre bi. Oba gold border. Ye discount man. Now we now because of fighting galamsey. Who are you kidding? Because president's name when say yenya ehun fasuo bi.
But I say
we are not fighting galamsey.
I got no a special aid to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the Kagusu Eshe Bedroom on Adom TV. You know, I see. It's probably just some few 5 minutes, manager. Make sure so Ben.
I got it. But I say, Minia Akusia Kassan. Also, President Mahama Brusona. Excavators be bush.
Based on the buy first. On no be you need to excavators. Now get the pickers and go on.
Who said me shots and I'm in person may man no some baby. Indeed, me can say be crab work for so or no bit me aye. But nipe be a one now one according to Professor from Pomboatin. And yam will be never kind. Okay. And you're ready to look at another kind. Nipa no dear Juman man as I say, share as I say, on Chesono. Yeah. Or bet you any challenges are onyai. Good, okay. So what I say? In that end, Rebecca say, Nasam no can yen tone chine. You do baby and I go for one casa. And no or casama a contam mining. Of which some of us things that there be, you shouldn't do it. A beer, say any of your bagazan come, me grad and I'm a cancer as because a beer come, could you maybe home. And I say, yen provided data. A beer or be called should be home. The so near Erasmus, yeah. Erasmus, eh? Yeah. Me born abasopa because you know they're very risky. Sure. Now me say money papa ko okumase. What you say yeah illegal mining see ko to share no so bro near there. Akwese say ko mining site. Nipa what area mo ho no indigenous no. Kakra bi na ka ho. Do na ya ho kwa wo fi be ba. Sure. Do na ebi fi Burkina, ebi fi Cote d'Ivoire no near there. And won aba ho. Enti se o pese utu sa di su sa. Akwese me de baby here me ye say betimi a sustain. Okay. You fighting against na ebenya no. Absolutely. Okay. Because all you are na ujai. Na sang ba. Ya anya plan ka fa. Kwesi konso ojina kwenti. Amfaso bi ene na ye no so. Eno ti na me say senior President Mahama chire na dwen ne style. Se bi su eno na be ya. So na mche no. Ne style o pese o employ no the fighting galamsey na me ne wie adwen crew mu pe because one then our gold nation assassin and there ye betu na mom ye were responsible mining and ye were irresponsible mining. Okay. Ye were illegal mining and ye were illegal mining. Sorry, ye were legal, right? Yeah. Ye were illegal. It be ye nyan famra council. Oh, our license all right. Untu unsu unra kwa ability. Unya ura hwa license na ukrai no. So what you say? What ne nhihye so nti enya ne aye kan ke President Mahama buy no na galamsey etu ate se dedaw. Oh, okay. Nti na me pese make ye ne o ye ni bi second and half first no First, no, because I say,
Oba first na galamsey atu ate say that.
Professor Mills, na come find currency. Who can say oko continentiwa.
Yeah.
Bremus, yeah. I'm not a boot, ma. Or say never hold it.
Sure.
So I don't have no president. Newmont, Bagana. And there be an American side. I'm from Fangadian Coy. A count, maybe to say, Oko.
Newmont for.
Yes.
Oh, how?
Because I can see, well, yeah, exploration.
Newmont for the count and galamsey.
But I mentioned you can see Sujina because we're free. So.
But it's serious. I think we need.
No, yeah, until I miss a man.
Newmont count and galamsey tiyo Ghana.
Men kase wakaho. Miss Newmont Bagana.
Okay.
Focus wakaho different from say Bagana.
Okay.
Go buy no yeah explorations.
Okay.
Well, okay, here's it.
Like baby
gold war.
Yeah.
Ono your company kakra ko fi America aba. Open fa so kese. Into okoko na say deposit the ho na kakra bia. Oja hoko.
Sure.
So what I say? Na kromafo ne ho. Into uko achem techima no me ade ade a I know na e ma wo ngani ba sa na me so
okay
so hina no sha asio asem na ba prempren nia na kufu ado na ban ba ye hui ene so because so NDC for no kra susu say MPP buy no na ban mu mpenfo hyemu no ye bi a allegation amate na e fa national organizer Ora, Joseph
Yamin, okay.
And I am vice chairperson.
Okay.
Ora Banga.
Yeah.
Allegation nature say one until illegal from them
tax force.
Tax force, thank you. Into one no wo bua a stop galamsey na mo me bia enya ne na abanga ma won kwan say mutimeti o say ku ne de.
Mate.
Oh, I know you're different from say
directly involved.
Exactly, absolutely true. Into na bang no Oti crowd and translate the say Kenya he. But the ama yoko munya hwem. Ya we say asem no ye be ne den. Eno na kire.
Okay.
Ahofama opera. Anko ba say asem esi kra ye no ma nya hwe nti no e be bokwan ama fofo so aye. Ayo kwan ye o ma ni nyina. President am after 4 years obeko.
On say on.
Say nipa wo ye ntimi anso ano prekwa. Eno na chi nsem bebe.
Open Piesie utun say anopen ne ho yera ono pa because o hwe the way galamsey no or differ baby emfa because atamils
timo alternative here then
atamils breso ena galamsey no e accelerate na John Mahama buy no say pickaxe ho ne ade ya wo yi ma me nkofa excavators mbra ena de no agency
okasa fa president wo say say but not also be fair to the president.
Well, I'm saying that just like they did to us, Nyama esi nothing so. Then he bears the ultimate
so like na person excavators nearby, yeah.
And because
it can also be said, say, on a mere excavators nearby.
Say, if he was looking for a solution is to make sure that they mine responsibly. Now the equipment, banner excavators can one. Excavator ni ehun bi da. Into the numbers that he came for the first time, no. Or no na or they buy. Me say, no quarrier. No quarrier. I'm saying that Adia workers say they are fighting. No quarry because we saw in the thick of the campaign 2020, Tama Ekufuado said, "Say I will put my presidency on the line." Not the Tony Obins ni one painful. We NDC were in the forest near Dekache won't say. Yebe mama eden amani. John Mahama voice. He into even 2024 he telling them say anybody who was arrested because of galamsey will be given amnesty. One can. So how then do you want us to believe now? Say obeso or fighting galamsey.
Okay.
You put voters. Ukase Kejefua was a licensed miner. No, a licensed miner. I tell you that again. As a spirited fighter, you have given an example. Say, Mpensenpensenmu Ekufuado bent the excavators of the women organizer of the NDC. And here say the last time I miss it, Asempa, Professor, NDC ni. Also, every 3 months was a tax force now. Walk stop it. Once now heckle me no. Once a truth no whoa. I will heckle me. Mpensenpensenmu. Me say, also task force now what they won't call. So one call police galamsey no one stop it one. They change them every 90 days. Now what bar? Within 90 days they bought houses, they bought cars. he said it on a sister station opposite us. And this, the evidence is there.
But I see.
Into where your party more, you do not believe in you put votes above government.
Special aid to Dr. Bawia. Yanko point chidam sa no pom so cancer emetwe. So happy birthday. Enko enfama yewie. Nana Ama Swagger Dompe. May the heavens grant the wishes of your heart, and my friend turned sister, know that you are loved from your beautiful family and friends. Also, happy birthday to Mr. Michael Ebenezer Ashon. Great staffer to gain knowledge from Docas Tete. I wish you all the best. Yamishta no nyawina kesi. Yeda wa ba na bedi komobe. Esi e bedwam die. E ba esi.